Yes. So what we have here is a hands-on rope making machine. It comes in two parts, a travelling part and a standing part. Now the equivalent to these out on the rope floor, when they start to make a rope, they're about 1,000 foot apart, these two parts, so very difficult to see what goes on out there. It's 1,000 foot apart because the Royal Navy had a policy. They wanted to be able to anchor a warship anywhere in the world. And after studying the charts, they worked out the deepest water they would have to anchor in to do that would be 240 foot deep. Now if you anchor a boat or a ship anywhere, you need 3 times the depth of the water you're anchoring in laid out as an anchor cable. So 720 foot became the standard length of an anchor cable to be carried on board a Royal Naval ship. And they wanted to be able to make one of those in one piece without any joints, and that's what you can do out on the rope floor. So you start 1,000 foot long, because there's a lot of twisting goes on to make a rope, and things just shorten naturally through all that twisting. And you'll see that because this travelling part will move that way as we make a small piece of rope here. It's strung up to make a 3-stranded hawser using minimum number of yarns, 3 per strand. Now the ropes made at Chatham, one of these would have been yellow. That identified it as a Chatham made rope. The 3 other dockyards had their own colour. So if a rope parted on board a ship, they'd know which ropery made that, and they'd come and have a word. Make sure we're doing things properly, not skimping on materials. As time went on, it got to be known as the road yarn. Because if you were caught outside the dockyard with a dockyard rope, you had to have a good excuse how you got that legally. Otherwise they'll just assume you're a rogue. You've stolen it from the dockyard, or you've bought stolen property. So you have to be careful. Buy any cheap rope, because once that rope yarn in there, you can't get it out. So the first thing I'm going to do is you have to twist these to make 3 strands. So I shall need some volunteers to turn handles, please. Very well. If you'd like to come this side, face the audience. Somebody to turn a handle that side. You want to turn the handle? Yeah. If you face the wall, and somebody to get the correct tension in the rope. Yeah, right, come this way. What I need you to do is to hold this rope. Now, as they start turning, that travelling part will slowly move that way. Just keep the rope a little bit tight, let it move that way, but don't stop it moving, all right? Just keep it a little bit tight, but let it roll that way. And we will test to see if you've got the correct tension at the end. Right, when I say go, no, if you could face the window, please, sorry. You can see which way you're going to turn yours. You'll bring it round and turn it clockwise. Turn yours in the direction of the arrows, so bring it towards you up and over. When I say go, can you turn your handles? What I want you to do is turn at the same speed. So I may ask you to go a bit faster, because the machinery does work a bit better when it's going faster. So are you ready, steady, go? Yeah, go faster than that. Go faster, go faster. Yeah. Yeah, do that speed, that's fine. Just keep going. I'll tell you when to stop, don't worry. This will twist these together, they'll get tight. The exciting part happens when that wheel starts going that way.